Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by D3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the sixth question of exercise 11.1 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here the question is, a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 cm and breadth is 22 cm. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also, find which shape encloses more area. Here, a wire is bent in the shape of a rectangle and its length is given as 40 cm and breadth 22 cm. Also given, the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square. And first we have to find the measure of each side of this square. For that, we should know the perimeter or area of this square. But it is not given in the question directly. This question is a bit similar to the previous question. Here we had to find the breadth of this rectangular park. For that we needed area or perimeter of this rectangular park. And according to the question, we got the area of this rectangular park by finding the area of this square park. In the same way, here also we need perimeter or area of this square for getting the measure of each side. And from the question, it is clear that the same wire is bent to get both the shapes. That is, length of the wire used to get both the shapes is the same. That means both shapes are having same perimeter. So here we are going to find the measure of this side from the perimeter. Now how to get the perimeter of this square? Since length and breadth of this rectangle are given here, we can find its perimeter using this formula. And according to the question, perimeter of this rectangle is the same as that of this square. Now let us solve. Given length of the rectangle equal to 40 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle equal to 22 centimeter, perimeter of the rectangle equal to, the formula is 2 into L plus B, that is equal to 2 into, here L is 40 centimeter plus breadth is 22 centimeter, that is equal to 2 into 40 plus 22, 62 centimeter, that is equal to 124 centimeter. That is, perimeter of the rectangle is 124 centimeter. And from the question we know perimeter of the square is the same as perimeter of the rectangle. So we can write, according to the question, perimeter of the square equal to perimeter of the rectangle. Here we have to write the formula for finding the perimeter of a square. That is, we know it is 4 into side. That is equal to Here we have to write the perimeter of the rectangle, that is 124 centimeter. Now we want to get side here. So we have to take 4 from left hand side to right hand side. Since here it is a multiplication, 4 will be in the denominator here. So side equal to, that is side of the square, equal to 124 centimeter divided by 4. Now let us divide 124 by 4. Since 1 is less than 4, take 2 with 1, that is 12. In the table of 4, 4 3s are 12. So here we can write 3, 4 3s are 12. When we subtract, it will be 0 here. Now bring down 4. Now 4 ones are 4, so write 1 here. 1 into 4 equal to 4. Again subtracting, we will get 0 here. So here the answer is 31 centimeter. Here we got measure of one side of a square. Since all the sides of a square are of equal measure, therefore we can write measure of each side of the square equal to 31 centimeter. Here we got the answer for the first part. Next we have to find which shape encloses more area. For that we have to find the area of the rectangle and area of the square. From that we can get which shape is having more area. Now let us find which shape encloses more area. For that, first we will find the area of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle equal to, here it is 40 centimeter. So write 40 centimeter, and breadth of the rectangle is here 22 centimeter. Area of the rectangle equal to, we know the formula, that is length into breadth, that is equal to, length is here 40 centimeter into breadth is 22 centimeter. So when we multiply, we can multiply 22 with the 4, 88, and then we have to put the 0, that is 0. So here we get the area as 880 centimeter square. Now for finding the area of the square, first measure of the side of the square, that is equal to, here we got it as 31 centimeter, that is 31 centimeter. Now area of the square equal to, we know the formula, that is side into side, that is equal to 31 centimeter into 31 centimeter. Now let us multiply 31 into 31, that is 961. That much centimeter square. Now we got both the areas. When we compare these areas, here you can see 961 is greater than 880. That means area of the square is greater than that of the rectangle. Therefore we can write area of the square is greater than that of the rectangle. This is the answer for our second part, that is square encloses more area. Now if it is asked by how much it is greater, then you have to subtract 880 from 961. And you can write here, area of the square is greater than that of the rectangle by 81 centimeter square. So here answer for the first part of this question is measure of each side of the square is 31 centimeter, and for the second part answer is square encloses more area. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.